804, we do have a bit of resistance right in this 40 area. And so if we can get, if we can get it to pop through shortly and make a new high, that would be great. But we're getting a lot of selling pressure as we get up into that area. So we'll see if I'm able to even pull out anything on this trade. Might get stopped out right here. I'm gonna pause it here for a minute. 806, I ended up taking my profits here. This bounce here so far has been really light volume, so I really don't have any idea which way it's going to be going. I don't have any conviction. So I ended up taking, let's see, 21, close to 20 ticks on that one. I was hoping to see it break through highs, which it still may do, but so far this little bounce hasn't given me much conviction here. So I will wait for the next setup and continue to play things tight to the belt so that I can make money consistently. Okay, there it goes, making a new high here. Was on slightly more volume than this little pullback here, but not a lot. We'll see how much push we have to keep going. We do have locals starting to buy here, so we could see the 60 area, but I will continue to watch for another high probability setup before I make anything else throughout the day. 809. We got a little bit of volume on this new high. I would like to probably see a pullback, ideally around the 30 area, for an entry for this thing to keep going higher. I'll keep an eye out for it, see if I can snag some, and my stop will probably be, 20, around 20. So 810. So far, we've only pulled back as low as 33. I was hoping to see 30 right in this area. It still might happen, but so far this has been a light volume pullback. 814. I've decided, based off the volume on this little move here, that I'm not going to be trying to snag some here. Even though I believe that we make one more high later on, at this point I'm not convinced that I want to try to jump in anywhere here in the 30 area. We did have volume increasing as we started to get into this area on the downside. So I will wait for one that's a little easier to distinguish on direction. I don't like when the volume bars are about the same size, or I want to see a big one, and then on a pullback I want to see half or less for a confirmation that that could be a nice place to buy. Okay, 816, we did end up breaking through this area here. That's why I like to use volume to confirm how strong of a move it is. I saw that the volume started to increase here, so I didn't want to buy the pullback. And so we got a decent size volume buyer here on this move, so I could be looking for a short if we pull back up into probably the 30 area, back up into here, and I see that it's a pretty light volume. And then I could be looking for a short at that time, but right now I'm just going to sit on my hands and do nothing because I don't see any setup or any high probability trades. So far I have only traded, I guess that, yeah, just one time for, let's see, for a little under 20 ticks, but not bad.